So hi everyone, this is Soni and welcome back to my channel Way to Fluent. I hope you all are doing well. It's the day 9 of my self-improvement journey. So today we are talking about the 5 most important things for learning English language. So without delay, let's get started the videos. Most the people are completed their educations in English medium school, but they still not able to speak in English. Why? Because of that they just learn English as a subject, not a skill. So today we are talking about how we can improve our English, which is very helpful for if you want to improve your English, then this video for you. So first one is stop translating methods. When we learn this language, when we start this learning this language, so when what we do used to translating method in our mind. So that is not good. We should not translate in our mother tongue to English. We just start to think in English. It is quite you can say not easy task, but if you do every day this kind of practice, then your mind is automatically trained. So you feel that automatically whatever you think, you just come in English language. So that is very good powerful method, and you stop translating whatever you think. You first you think in your mother tongue and Hindi, then you translate in English language. That is the not method, that is the not good way to learn this language. If you do this kind of things, your fluency is not improving. You just whenever you speak anybody, then you feel that you stuck because your mind is always busy to translating the things. So that is this is the one point. And second point is, always whenever people want to learn this language, they just think about people. They have the fear of judgment of they have fear of judgment. So I know that is, I also feel earlier when I want to start my journey many years back. So I just think, if I if I try to speak in front of other people, if I say something, then people judge me, people think about me, people laugh at me. So let them laugh, let them judge. You don't care about the people मतलब लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो कहेंगे. You heard about the many peoples. लोग कुछ, if you do better, if you do good, then people also think, and if you do bad things, you people also think. So वो उनका perspective है. So this is their perspective. You don't think about the people. If you think about the people, then you never start anything in your life, never achieve anything in your life. So don't be feel hesitant, don't be feel judgment. Yes, अगर people judge करते हैं तो करने दो. That is their thinking ना, that is their perspective. But you start, when you start with the without fear of judgment, without hesitant, then you can see you don't focus on those people. In a word, many people are very good, who appreciate you, who motivate you. Then only few people you appreciate. You have to need to just focus only those people, not everyone. So that is the things. You don't fear about the judgment, and being a judge, you don't fear about the judgment and hesitant and low confidence while speaking and in front of other. And third point is very important: consistency. You must be heard about the people are always want to do something, but they never achieve anything in your life. Why is happened? Because of that they not consistent. You must be heard about the consistency is key of success. So we have to, whenever we start anything else for ourselves and for improvement, we need to consistency. We have to put our efforts with the consistency, with the discipline. Then only we can achieve our goal, and then we can achieve the success in our life. Without consistency, you can forget everything. Suppose that if I give the example, earlier I have YouTube channel, from means I work on the many years, but what is the problem? I'm not consistent. If I consistent, then only 1 3 month I achieve, I complete my 1000 subscriber and 3000 my. If not consistent at that time, I'm not I am not aware of that. That kind of things also matter, consistency is also matter. I didn't know, but now I'm going share with you through my experience. So consistency is very very matter. No matter you are learning English language, you whatever you want to do in your life, consistently you have to practice. And fourth thing is, everybody know that we all are make the all means lots of plan but not execute. That is the main problem. We all are always making the plan. We have to do, we have to do the we have to do, we have to do this, that things, many things we have to in our mind we have to make a plan. But instead of making lots of plan, you have to execute them. If you not execute, then nothing is benefit for you're making plan. So make plan but execute at the same time. When you suppose that you today you have to decided to you are also learning this language and you want to improve your health, whatever you want, then start doing for that things. Start doing something for achieving these things. If you execute the same time, then you feel that you are near about to your goal. So that is the four things. And so let's talk about the fifth thing. So next, we all are focused on the grammar parts. So when we want to learn this language, we have to no need to grammar. You can take the example me. I never ever study grammar. Just few topic I know, otherwise I didn't know about the grammar. So without thinking, without too much thinking about grammar part, you just start your learning journey. You just start speaking journey. You just start thinking English. You just start reading books and newspaper. That is only things you just if you do those kind of things, then only you can become fluent. Many people, I think that I saw that many people are only focusing grammar. Earlier I also do same things. What I feel earlier, I feel that if I'm perfect in grammar, then I can speak very fluently. So no, that is not true. That is not not right way for learning speaking English. If you want to become a teacher, if you want to teach someone, if you have work of writing, then you have to study more, focus on the grammar part. Otherwise you no need to more focus on grammar part. You just start speaking English. So that is the topic. It is very helpful if you take seriously, if you watch seriously this video and apply in your life, then definitely you will also improve. And thank you so much watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel, and I will be come in next video in another topic. Thank you so much.